Hey guys, we received this bifold door hardware set for test and try with 36-inch track, aluminum siding cabinet, folding door or hanging wheel closet, folding door or one set. So this you can see like this is the manual and this is how you can fix this. So this is with the bifold door. They have provided all the hardware kit in here. Everything is provided with the roller and stuff so you can easily use. So the rod itself is 36 inches wide and these are the rollers that goes on this door for the moving. So you can see this is a really thick rod like aluminum alloy, durable and not easy to deform. So these are the all unboxing thing with all the hardwares, very high quality hardwares as I can feel. So they are not easy to bend or easy to break. So these goes on the one bifolding door like on the side to hold it, and then the middle I will show you later. So it will go in there. So this will go on the sides like with the wall or the frame. So nice quality and this can really fit well. So they are these different pairs, screws and everything are provided, and these are the middle portion like for the folding doors. So this goes in the middle with the two doors and the folding thing so that this will easily fold. So you can see the quality of these knobs. They are really high metal quality with this thing. It goes in the middle. So you can have like one pair set or the two. What I received is the one pair set. And then these are like the five in the middle ones and then five on the side with the corner stuff. And then a roller to move and the guiding rail. So you can see like how this can be done and to installation with the track mounted on the bottom and track mounted on the top of the board. So but this is really high quality, as you can see it's very hard to deform and very nice quality hardware to use with the bifold doors. I really like this quality thing, and once this will be installed, this will really works well with the door in the siding and the door things. Nice overall.